Grampus. This is Grampus. And she likes to play. Meow. Meow. Hiss. Meow. I am Grumpy. I am Grumpy Cat for sure. Don't talk to me. Don't touch me. Don't play with me. Don't do anything with me. I will kick you and bite you and bite you. Look me dead in my eye. Stop. Wait before you post this online. I'm going to kill you. Thank you. Goodbye. Okay, goodbye. Bye-bye. Okay, next.
So we didn't realize that they all wanted the same one, not different days. So like
The little baby orangey, baby Mew. I am baby Mew.
So now we have to fix it.
Oh, she's scared. I'll talk for her. She is baby Mew. She loves to play. She loves to sleep. She loves to eat.
May I go break up the cats?
She is baby Mew. Baby Mew. She's scared of the camera. She don't like cameras. And she likes sleeping. Will y'all stop? Hiss! Hiss!
Oh, and the like coffee machines.
Okay, back to her. She loves being with me, her mommy. She's orange, as you can tell. She's shy. She's camera shy. I will. Can you say hi?
Because remember the three.
Oh, she's scared. She don't like the camera. Hi, can you say hi?
We sell Uno de Grande.
Say hi. Hi. See? She don't mew. She don't meow. Mew. She only goes like...
And then the Swagger, she buy Uno coffee pot.
Hiss!
The Uno
Now.
waffle maker.
Hold on.
And then you'll buy Uno
Hold on, I'll be
scale
back.
to see if you're 150 pounds, 250 pounds.
That's what she sounds like. She's so cute. Look her. Look at her. Oh, look at that baby. Look at that baby face. Look at the baby. Oh, she's so cute. Okay, time to go get another cat. Okay, bye.
But today you know mucho coca.
This is Butterfly. And she's stubborn. Porter. Shut up.
I know feel mucho
No,
coca
you cannot go
today.
at the camera. I said no. Okay, I guess on to the next one. She's stubborn. And very mean. She's a meanie. Okay, time for another cat. Okay, my other cats don't want to do one. So I'm gonna go back to Grumpy, Cat, and Mew. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, so it is Mew's bedtime right now. So welcome back, Grumpy. Shut up. Wow. Fierce baby. Stop it. Stop it. Stop. No. I said no. 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 Hello, people. Yeah.
What was in the dark? Gee, what was in front
No,
of
no,
your day?
no, no. I said no. Ooh, what's this?
Maybe with
What is she looking at? Is she looking at it? Ice pack? She's looking at ice pack. I was using it for my... This turns into ASMR, guys. It sounds delicious. Sounds like ice cream. That's frozen. And I just dropped it almost died by Dr. Hooper. Goodbye, peoples. Unless y'all want to hear me sing, I'll do it. It's not exactly singing. It's that is a recorder. Okay, so let's see. What can I do? Okay, do you want me to sing hit or miss on this? Let's try it. Hit the Goodbyes, peoples. Goodbyes. Like, subscribe, and turn notifications on. I was processing. Goodbyes, peoples. By the way, I got a haircut. So, yeah. Good